What up, you guys? Yeah, second rap, third rap. Yeah, yo, life is a stuck on a flat tire. It seems like I'm the only person who can't get what he desires. My heart is a gas as a match and a set fire. I've been treated like shit, accused of being a liar. I'm exhausted, but no energy to get into bed, cause I'm too damn tired. Took me over the pillars. Fuck life. Throwing a towel, cause I'm gonna retire. Comics of the day. My aunt's 1.2K dollar necklace. Gone. Most likely my brother stole Liz. My mom is in piss mode. Yeah. You complain about life. It's no magic. Words come to mind. I have to rap it. You see, this girl like me. She never spite me. She always likes me. She is so beautiful when she walks by me. One day she takes me, seems she's going back to Gracie. At first it was amazing, then I started hesitating. My heart was taken. I will get it over with, but nah. I'm just waiting. These years don't mean shit unless I apply. I'm the best for you, I don't lie. Be happy, girl. No need to cry. Yeah, I'm upset. I don't want to die. You act like you don't care. Fuck it. No need to try. I'm so much better. She picked him and I don't know why. Fuck being friends. Either me or him. Goodbye. He wants me to. It's my friend. Yeah. Try and touch me so if I can scream at your name, not such. Run out the room and I'll follow you like a lost puppy. Baby, without you is nothing. I'm so lost. Hug me, then tell me how ugly I am, but that's, you'll always love me. And then after that, shove me. And after mad of the destructive path that we're in. Gone. Two psychopaths, but we know that no matter how many knives we put in each other's backs, that we'll have each other's backs. Cause we're that lucky. Together we move mountains. Let's not make mountains out of mountain holes. You hit me twice, yeah, but who's counting? I may have hit you 3 times, I'm starting to lose count. But together, we'll live forever. Found your youth fountain. Eminem right there, motherfucker. Sorry, ain't gonna cut it. You took my heart, ripped it out and cut it. I complained a lot. Now no one is gonna touch it. I'm forever alone, freezing in the cold. You're so ugly, yeah, I've been told. And before a 1,000 times, I ain't talking back. Get your life back on track. Intelligence is what you lack. Bitch ass about to get smacked. Like mommy told you, don't talk back. Fuck everybody, my goal is to survive. And don't care how many times you try. I'm gonna shed a tear of pride, bitch. Yeah. Jacob Geeman! What up, bruh? Watch my video. Because it was just for you. Because he told me to record this.